That's horseshit. No, you take the bread, okay, you're like, you open the bread, you're like, oh, hey, I'm gonna make a sandwich, right? So you're like, you already had a bad day, right? Like, you just got up, you just stubbed your toe, right? There's no hot water in the shower, right?
Your wife just left you and your tractor broke down.
All that stuff, you just probably crashed somewhere, I don't know. So you grab this piece of bread, you're like, my day gotta get some better somewhat. So you grab this bread, I hope my day continues to be not bad. So you take this bread, you're like, I'm gonna make a jelly sandwich, right? And you take this knife of yours. It's like, what the hell is this? So I'm gonna make some bread. You open this, okay, it's like bread and jam or whatever. And you're like, so you take the jam and whoops, my day just got better. I'm gonna kill myself. That's what you're gonna do, because it doesn't fall off the fucking knife, and that's the last straw of the entire ordeal, because you kill yourself.
Okay, answer me something.
What?
Smart ass. After you got with your newfangled grooves that, are just so fucking divine, and you have jam on here, how do you spread it evenly? How do you not make it look like fucking, a friggin' mountains?
No!
Where did you learn the 16-point palm exploding heart technique?
I read it in the book. You better go take your 5 steps.
I'm not moving.
I'm taking your coffee. What now, bitch? God damn it.